Dear all, as the chairman of Handloom Export Promotion Council, it gives me a pleasure in welcoming all participants on board for the virtual Indian Handwoven and Home Textile Sourcing event. You are aware the ongoing pandemic has brought most of the world to standstill and has presented the textile sector with unprecedented challenges. With the traditional export market going into lockdown and imposing travel restrictions to control COVID-19 outbreak, the buyers and sellers are finding it difficult to connect to keep their business going. To deal with this new normal situation, Handloom Export Promotion Council, as the nodal organization under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, is strategically working on an innovative way to provide opportunities for its member exporters to engage with global buyers by turning itself to virtual trade fairs and exhibitions. HPC proposes to organize series of virtual buyer-seller meets targeting traditional potential markets such as European Union, USA, UK, Japan, Australia, and also non-traditional market such as South America, South Africa, etc. I thank the Minister of Textiles and the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, for their financial support in organizing this event. I also thank Embassy of India, Consulate General of India for their valuable support in disseminating the information about our event to the potential importers in the target country. The 3-day virtual event targeting specific market region hosts about 20 Indian exporters from all over India with a virtual display of their products, which include the entire range of home textiles, floor covering and fashion accessory. This exhibition is organized on an advanced and fully equipped virtual platform which includes text chat, video chat, search by product, search company for a user-friendly navigation. I appeal to all the textile importers in the target market region to avail this opportunity by virtually visiting the event to find their right Indian suppliers for their sourcing needs, and hope this event will provide platform for both exporters and importers to establish business relationship. Wish all the participants to have a successful event. Thank you all.
The handloom sector for me exemplifies India. Our traditions, our immense cultural diversity, our ancient history. It supports craftspeople. It supports small and medium enterprises. It is the very epitome of self-reliance. And at the same time, it is innovative. It adapts to modern sensibilities and therefore brings the past and the present and the future together most beautifully. The Handloom Export Promotion Council plays a great role in keeping this sector vibrant and keeping it a major contributor to the Indian economy. Events like the buyer-seller meet for South America, which is scheduled for the 15th of December to the 17th of December 2020, will only help in this great endeavor. I congratulate HEPC, and I'm sure that the upcoming event will be a great success.